Hello, dito kami sa may Chunmun Ferry Pier. Ayan, nagbibilang pa ako ng ng eroplanong dumadaan. Ayun yung isa. Ayun malapit lang kasi dito. Yun lang yung airport lang yun eh. Yan ang tinatawag nilang Chunmun Ferry Pier. May activities yung alaga ko, tapos bumili kami ng chips ng alaga kong panganay. Yun, mag-ano na yung aeroplano dyan. Ayan. Tapos yun po ang tinatawag nilang Chunmun. Ay no. That is Butterfly Beach. There. Okay, there on the other side. Dito may mga namimingwit, pero wala namimingwit na yun. Wala na pumunta kami dito. Marami. Yan. Tapos dito may mga restaurant, may mall po dito. First floor at saka second floor lang. And then po dito pag mo lang dito sa may main, dito na yung Philippine store. Ano na bang oras? Pina, walking there la, we're going the why? Pina. Walk la. We go in the You see, I said I go to the toilet.
Oh, perfect. There's just one right here.
The what?
Right here.
Hello. The what?
There's so many Pokemon.
I go and find. Yun may ang daming eroplano. Ayun, malaki eroplano. Ewan ko yung alaga ko na yun. May mga Pokemon daw. Maraming dumadaan aeroplano. Ito na po yung pier. Yan. Baliw talaga yung alaga ko. Saan nga makakita ng Pokemon? Wala namang real Pokemon dito. Fina! Lengayin! Pagbagtit niya talaga dito ang alaga. Hindi ka nakita ng Pokemon siya yan, Google na. Walk la! Na naman ang isang eroplano. Nung first time ko dito sa Hong Kong, kasi nasa Tongchong ako noon, yun lang ang tinitignan ko yung mga, kasi dyan sa sa Tongchong nga yan, sa Tongchong kasi lagi nga dumadaan yung mga eroplano yan. Yun lang tinitignan ko ba. Parang nahuhumsik, tapos nasa taas pa kami, lapit pa kami sa bundok. Tapos noon, tignan mo. Noon kasi hindi ako nakakaano. Okay, now we walk here now. We go to the toilet. Ito na yung toilet. Tapos sasakay kami. Kasi tamad yung alaga ko eh. Tamad maglakad yan. Ayan po, tignan nyo po yung mga matatanda dito sa Hong Kong. Nag-work pa din po sila. I go toilet first. You stay here. Punta muna kami ng toilet. Ito, yan. Punta na kami sa may MTR, LRT. Kaya, ang ganda ng mga kahoy dito. Tignan mo yung mga kahoy, oh. Bakit kaya maganda? Bakit kaya walang ganyan sa Pilipinas? Hindi, meron. Meron ganito sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang, sa Pilipinas, sabi nila, ano daw ng mga, what is that, monster? But dito sa Hong Kong, yan po ang parang shelter nila. Oh, ito na po mismo yung pier. Yan, sa mga pumupunta sa may Central.
You want to get a drink?
Ah,
You want to get a drink?
how I wish I can drink very, very, very. You can buy there, is expensive po. Everything is expensive here. You know, I am buying there only you know, I'm buying like this there just $4. And the shoe home. $7.50. Dollar.
$4 for you to buy one later.
Dollar. Because no need to kami, because walking. Where is the 5-1?
I don't know, there's just so many stations here.
The one we walk while ago. Here. 610. Oh, this one goes, it's 1.5. Very young.
Can I eat the chocolate?
Then I have.
Okay.
Yan. Dito kami sa loob ng LRT. That one that we go before there. Your papa. Dito kami sa we stop in the butterfly na, okay? It's a little far here. Okay. Yan. If we just sit down there, it's very boring, right? Yes.
Last time I literally need to lay on that chair for like 2 hours for doing nothing. Just laying without any.
Now it's not too much already, Kautla, not like before.
Because it's
Because
almost winter already.
September already, next week. O, tignan nyo po yung mga matatanda dito sa Hong Kong.
This was a fun summer. Hello.
I don't like summer. I don't like winter.
But my bestie do.
The winter is very,
Hello.
very cold and can wear so many clothes.
Hello, you can get hot in winter. Sometimes the winter is hot too. Let me see if there are any Pokemon.
Oh, yan. What is the time now?
2:47.
Just 2:47.
Oh, a new one. A little bit faster.
Ito, pag...
Here, gotcha. I got one.
Mm.
Oh man, he got out. Shit. Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Can I sing also?
Go lah. Here. I caught a new one.
Tignan nyo sila, yung mga matatanda.